Well, tubes, I got 2 lines left from the anti-lock module up to the master cylinder. And I don't think it'll be too terribly long, and I'll have this truck back on the road again. So why don't we get started and see what we can do. Okay, let's get our lights plugged in. There's Pebbly Poo. Hi, kitty. Yes, you gonna be your daddy. Yes, you do. Yes, you do. Okay. I think these two are the same. 69, 78, 40, 50C. And I have a pretty good idea what they look like. Well, I got the last 2 lines in, up to the master cylinder there, right here, and they pretty much have this flex that the other one had a real twisty bend going down, and I just kind of made couple fewer gentler curves there. So I think at this point I can put this inner fender back in. Everything is buttoned up. There was no drama, just, more of the same of what you've already seen. A lot of me hand bending lines, straightening out the coil and getting it put back in and running the lines. Got them, you can probably see, I got the 4 lines here coming down, the 2 to the front go down there. This one's bolted up here, the other one's screwed in down below, and everything's put back into place. Take a quick gander here. Make sure these are all the same. No, there's these 2 bigger ones. There's a bigger head. See, there's a bigger and a smaller. Bigger, bigger, bigger. 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 Bigger, bigger. 1, 2, 3, 4. Another a small plug. 5, huh? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Those. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of those. No, that one doesn't go there. That one does not go there. The push plug goes in there. So let's get that one out again. This goes in there. And this goes down here. Oops. There. There. Good. Yeah. Might need to do a little bit of work on this before it goes back in. Well, the battery died, so you didn't get to see the fun I had bleeding the brakes, but, you know, that's kind of the situation, but we got them up, got them bled, used up the fluid, and now I got to get some more to put in the reservoir, but those are good to go. Now I got to start putting things together, and my mud flap here is kind of mounting hardware is a little bit shaky there, so I found a couple new bolts to put in there, and we'll see what we can do here. There. Something like that. Well, folks, thanks for coming along on the saga of the brake lines. I don't profess to be professional by any means. We definitely had a mess of stuff that needed to be replaced here. I think one of those was the actual one that broke. And those have all been replaced now. So please like, subscribe, feel free to comment, and we'll see what the next project is. I wasn't planning on doing this, so this was something that I needed to fit in between all the other stuff. But we've definitely got some things going on here, and we'll keep posting these videos. Take care.